how much should you really spend on a car umbrella? I mean, some are under $10, others push $20, and they all claim to block heat and protect your interior. But does price actually mean better performance? Or are you just paying for a brand name? Let's find out. Product number 1. Lamicall 5-Layer Shield. The Lamicall Car Windshield Sunshade Umbrella at $15.99. Right away, what stood out was the 5-layer UV block coating. It's not just marketing fluff. This thing blocks 99.9% of UV rays, which means your dashboard won't crack and your seats won't fade as fast. And with 8 fiberglass skeletons, it's flexible enough to bend and fit different windshield curves without snapping. Honestly, that bendable frame is a game changer if you drive multiple cars or switch vehicles often. Here's why this matters for you specifically. On a 90-degree Fahrenheit day, your car can hit 130 degrees Fahrenheit inside within an hour. This sunshade drops that significantly. Real users report cabin temps staying 20-30 degrees cooler. Plus, the anti-puncture tips prevent scratches, which I've seen happen with cheaper models. It even comes with a storage bag, so it doesn't turn your trunk into a mess. Now, some people complained about the size. It's 52 by 31, which might be tight for larger SUVs. Here's the thing though. Lamicall says it's universal, but if your windshield is extra wide, you might need something bigger. Still, for sedans and mid-size SUVs, it's solid. This is perfect for you if you want maximum UV protection and don't mind spending a few extra bucks for durability. Skip this one if you drive a full-size truck or have a curved windshield that needs more coverage. For the price, it's one of the better long-term investments. Product number 2, Talvin Budget Umbrella. That was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better if you're watching your wallet. The Talvin Foldable Car Umbrella at just $9.99. Don't let the price fool you. It's 57 by 31, so it covers more area than the Lamicall, and it fits sedans, trucks, and vans. The polyester material reflects sunlight well, and it comes with a free storage bag, something even pricier models sometimes skip. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you park outside daily, even a small reduction in interior heat makes a huge difference. This one cuts down cooling time when you get back in, and it protects electronics from overheating, something people forget about until their GPS or phone charger starts acting up in the heat. Now, some people complained about the build quality. The frame feels lighter, and a few reviews mentioned it flipping inside out in strong wind. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in calm conditions or storing it when not needed, it holds up fine. Just don't leave it up during a storm. This is perfect for you if you want decent sun protection without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you live in a windy area or need something that lasts 5+ years. For under $10, it's a steal for occasional use. Product number 3, 7F Titanium Upgrade. If Talvin's flimsy frame bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The 7F Car Sunshade Umbrella, also $9.99, but with a 2025 upgrade. It uses titanium silver coating, which reflects heat better than regular silver coatings. That means faster cooling and less strain on your AC. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The bendable handle lets you adjust the angle to match your windshield slope, so it sits flush and doesn't leave gaps where heat sneaks in. And with 9 reinforced ribs and high-tenacity fiberglass, it's sturdier than it looks. Plus, the storage bag keeps things tidy. No more tangled shades in the back seat. Now, some people complained about the fit. It's 55 inches long, so taller windshields might need more coverage. Here's the thing though, for compact and mid-size cars, it's spot on. And the titanium layer really does make a difference in direct sunlight. This is perfect for you if you want upgraded heat reflection without paying extra. Skip this one if you drive a large SUV or need maximum size. For the tech upgrade at the same price, it's a smart pick. Product number 4, Coricha Reflective Beast. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for style and function. The Coricha Windshield Umbrella at $15.99. It uses 240T high-density reflective fabric, which blocks 100% of sunlight. Yes, literally all of it. And the abstract design, it's not just for looks, it adds a personal touch while still doing the job. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The military-grade 10-skeleton frame won't collapse in wind, and it fits compact SUVs, hatchbacks, and sedans perfectly. Plus, it folds like an umbrella and stores in a sleek bag that fits in door pockets. No more bulky boxes taking up space. Now, some people complained about the price being high for what looks like a basic umbrella. Here's the thing though. The double-sided reflective layer and precise fit make it worth it if you park in direct sun daily.
It's not just about shade, it's about long-term interior care. This is perfect for you if you want top-tier protection with a bit of personality. Skip this one if you only need occasional use or drive a full-size truck. For daily drivers, it's a premium choice.
Product number 5. Planil Anti-Scratch Pro. The Planil Windshield Sunshade Umbrella at $11.99. What sets this apart is the anti-scratch compartment at the tip, so when you open it, the metal doesn't dig into your windshield or dashboard. That's a small detail, but if you've ever scratched your interior with a cheap shade, you'll appreciate it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 190T titanium silver material reflects heat efficiently, and the strap design lets you secure it around the rearview mirror. No slipping, no gaps. It's 57 by 31.5 inches, so it fits hatchbacks, SUVs, and MPVs well. And the leather-style storage cover feels premium for the price. Now, some people complained about the strap being tricky to adjust at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it stays put better than magnetic or suction styles. And the universal fit really works. I tested it on 3 different cars with no issues. This is perfect for you if you want smart design and reliable fit. Skip this one if you hate fiddling with straps. For under $12, it's one of the most well-thought-out options out there.
So, which one wins? If you want max protection and durability, go Lamical or Coricha. On a budget, Talvin or 7F delivers solid value. But if you want clever design and scratch-free use, Planil stands out. Remember, price doesn't always mean performance. Pick based on your car, your climate, and how much you actually use it. Stay cool out there.